And a man shot and killed in a home. Could it be self-defense? Taking action for you to find out when shooting someone in your own home is justified. Channel 4 Action News at 6 starts now.
WTAE Channel 4 in high definition. This is Channel 4 Action News at 6.
A developing story tonight. Taking action for you tonight on a question prompted by a recent story.
We wanted to know when the law considers shooting someone in your home justified. Channel 4 Action News reporter Sheldon Ingram looked into it and joins us with some answers.
Well, that's certainly not an easy question to answer. Let's go back to the deadly shooting of Kevin Johnson in Ambridge Monday night. Johnson's ex-girlfriend told us he was shot by another man because he kicked in her door. She says that Johnson was a threat and Terrell Dixon shot Johnson to protect her. The question, was the shooting justified?
You won't get that one.
A couple inside of a gun shop wants to purchase a weapon for protection. So many guns, so many choices, but of all the questions they ask, they don't ask about the law regarding deadly force and self-defense. This is the advice clerks at Braverman Arms pass along.
I'd be the first one to say, if you want to get it from the horse's mouth, get a defense lawyer and talk to them.
So attorneys Peter Georgiadis and David Shrager spell it out.
Someone breaks into your house. Do you have a right to shoot?
You have the right to use deadly force anytime you have a reasonable belief that deadly force is necessary.
They have the right to use deadly force if they're presented with an imminent danger of death or serious bodily injury.
So does the aggressor have to have a gun?
No. Your belief that you're in immediate danger has to be reasonable. The key is it has to be immediately necessary.
Who determines that?
Jury.
The key word is jury, which means a person shooting in self-defense can go on trial as a defendant. Georgiadis also conducts gun law workshops on the use of deadly force in self-defense. He says there is another important detail gun owners must realize.
If you can take a safe way out and not risk your life to do it, it's not necessary to use deadly force. So you're not allowed to. Ultimately, 12 people off the street sit down and look at the circumstances and decide if what you believed was reasonable.
And as we take action for you tonight, here are some things you need to know when purchasing a gun for protection. Consult with an attorney about using deadly force. Even attend workshops with groups like Fire Institute taught by attorneys. And for their link and other useful information, go to the PittsburghChannel.com and click on As Seen on WTAE. And as you may note, Andrew, a lot of gray area. And what's interesting is that even if you use a firearm in self-defense, you could end up in court as a defendant.
Interesting.
Very tricky.
Hopefully you'll never have to be in that situation in the first place. Wow. Sheldon, thanks.
Yeah.
A local